Tata Steel. And again, these are just reports on the wires indicating that ThyssenKrupp has actually restarted talks with them. So just look out for a couple of these names. The first trades then this Monday morning on your screens after that 6% recovery that played out last week. I'm just going to wait for buy for the first rates, and they are indicating a positive start indeed. About 1.5% higher, 32,900 for the Sensex right now. Solid market breadth. The Nifty holding up at 9,720 right now. So that's definitely a very good move. On our radar then, what transpired within the telecom basket all of last week? IDEA was, remember, a big mover on buzz that this time around it's Google which is going to be eyeing a piece of IDEA SPY, although IDEA said that there is no confirmation or no request as of now from Google, but they keep evaluating options. Reliance holding up at your screens by about almost 1%, and then I want to quickly check in on what's happening with some of the large heavyweight banking names, Axis as well as Kotak Bank, and then of course ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank along with Bajaj Finance should come up for you on your screens because they really drove up the markets higher in all of last week's session. Couple of stocks which are on our focus. I just talked about Dish TV. Just look out for that. What Tata Steel is doing, that started off with a positive move. JP Morgan in its note is saying that even if the joint venture has Tata Steel as a minority partner, this is going to be a positive play out for Tata Steel. So just look out for that stock. And then Sanofi India, which has got a 293 crore rupees slump sale of manufacturing facility. So maybe that's going to be another stock to look out for. Lupin, very strong commentary coming in their cotton call. Debt reduction is a huge positive. We already know the market tilt towards the entire pharmaceutical space. And this is another stock to look out for today. And that holds up positive as I can see on my screens. Adani Power, they're going to be considering the proposal for delisting of shares on June 3rd. SRF, chemicals business, packaging business, packaging film business rather, have restarted operations for them. A very strong outlook coming in the earnings commentary, and that's going to keep SRF afloat. Besides that, earnings, nothing very big today. You've got small ones coming in at that. And I'm just going to quickly refresh my screen and tell you what's happening within the futures and options universe. NCC, that's made it to the top, a 10.25% move coming in there. JSW Steel, Amara Raja Batteries, a 5% solid move. 645 is what this stock is nudging. CK just gave a positive call on this one as well. Voltas and Adani Power, these are your big movers. On the flip side, it's HDFC Life, it's IGL, it's Torrent Pharma after weak numbers, Ramco Cement and IDEA, which has slid about 8.25% right now. But for the Nifty, Nikunj, what a comeback. A 6% move last week and another 2.5% higher right now. 9,700 is here.
Yeah, I mean, you think about it, 10,000 is what, 250 points away? 10,000? We were at 7,500 in the month of March. Not that anything has improved in the economy, not that the GDP print has come out great. There are a lot of naysayers in the market who will continue to say, look, this is going to go wrong, that is going to go wrong, this will not go right, that is damaged, this is damaged. But markets can remain disconnected with the economy for a long period of time. That's one theory. Second is that either or markets are saying, look, economic recovery which is coming, which is going to surprise you, that prices currently are not capturing. For me, the theme is opening up of economy. Indian hotels is up 10%, rent is up, retailers are moving higher, multiplexes have not gone higher. But the fact that from lockdown 4.0 we've moved to unlock 1.0, for me that is the sentiment in terms of the market which you need to align with. It will not be back to business for Indian hotels for a long time, but it will certainly be some business from zero business what had hit them in the month of April and May. So zero will not become 100, but zero will become 50. And some of these stocks have fallen more than 50% because of COVID. So for me, that is what I would be watching out for. Will consumer stocks now start underperforming? And where is Infosys? They've informed markets last night, the SEC filing, that look, we will have a problem in terms of what is going on when it comes to some of our clients. So that's something which I would like to pick up as a theme.